Meet the smallest monkey in the world, the Pygmy Marmoset. An adult will fit in the palm of your hand. Being so tiny makes it hard to know who's friend, foe, or food. With sharp teeth, they gouge away the bark to create miniature wells that fill up with delicious, sugary sap. On a big tree, there may be over 1,000 of them. But these little gremlins do have a surprisingly predatory side. Their spring-loaded legs can launch them up to 3 meters. Curved claws grip like mini grappling hooks. And those bark-chomping teeth are just as effective on insects. Hunting among tangles of fallen branches comes easily to these miniature monkeys. But not all is what it seems. This caterpillar's impression of a deadly snake is so convincing, it's scary.